Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to send your Instagram story from your PC following the latest updates. Whether you want to share a memorable moment or an important update, this process is simple and efficient. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. If you haven't done this before, just head over to instagram.com and sign in. Next, open your story. To do this, click on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile, where you can view all your stories. Select the story that you wish to share. Now it's time to select the link from the address bar. Click on the address bar at the top of your browser window to highlight the URL of your story. This link is essential for sharing your story with others. Once you have highlighted the link, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu that appears. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need it. After copying the link, navigate to Messenger from the left side menu of your Instagram page. If you don't see Messenger, ensure that it's enabled in your settings or check if you're using a compatible browser. Now, enter into the chat where you want to share your story. Simply click on the conversation or start a new one by selecting a contact from your list. Finally, paste the link to send it. You can do this by right-clicking in the message box and selecting Paste, or by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Once pasted, hit Send. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Instagram story via Messenger on PC. This new update makes sharing moments easier than ever before, allowing you to connect with friends and family directly from your computer. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing!